So guys, just an update on the $600 Beamer. I fixed most of the electrical problems, and I have also found a problem under the engine compartment. It was a broken intake tube, and it was cracked after the mass airflow sensor, causing the system to run lean, and that's why the check engine light was on. I do need to get an alternator because the alternator is doing really weird things, and it still every now and then will make stuff wig out if I don't drive it with the headlights in the air conditioning full blast. But it's running good, it's running strong. There's really nothing mechanically wrong with it, it's all electrical. But I fixed most of that, and you can see she's actually running pretty damn good. She's rips. I am going to have to get a thermostat though. This car has a really strange looking thermostat on it, and it's controlled by the computer, and right now it's running in failsafe mode, which means the check engine light's probably going to come back on for that. But the car's not overheating or anything, it's just running a little warm. The engine, its normal temperature is about 190 degrees, and right now it's running around 200, 210 if I'm really getting on it and stuff. But I could get it online for about 40 bucks, and the thing that's going to fix the windows on that side is only about, I don't know, $50 a piece. So again, cheap BMW, and the parts are pretty decently priced. Even the alternator is only about $120, so I'm happy. However, it makes fun of me for this. How the hell do you set the clock in one of these?